Hello, design enthusiasts. Welcome back to Interior Decor Designs, your go-to resource for all things home decor and design. Today, we delve into the sophisticated realm of luxury home interior design, and let's learn 15 exclusive ideas to elevate your interior space. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. This isn't merely about filling a space. It's about crafting an environment that reflects refined taste, unparalleled comfort, and an appreciation for the finer things in life. We will explore the fundamental principles that define luxury and examine how to implement them effectively in your own residence. Luxury home interior design transcends mere aesthetics. It embodies a holistic approach to creating a living space that prioritizes quality, exclusivity, and personalized comfort. It involves the meticulous selection of high-end materials, bespoke furniture, and curated artwork to achieve a cohesive and opulent ambiance. This design philosophy emphasizes attention to detail, from the intricate craftsmanship of custom-made pieces to the seamless integration of cutting-edge technology. Luxury in this context is not just about visual appeal. It's about the sensory experience, the tactile pleasure of premium fabrics, the visual harmony of a perfectly balanced palette, and the overall feeling of well-being that a meticulously designed space evokes. Investing in luxury home interior design is an investment in your quality of life. A well-designed luxury home provides a sanctuary, a place where you can unwind and recharge in an environment that reflects your personal style and values. It enhances the functionality of your space, making everyday tasks more enjoyable and efficient. Moreover, a thoughtfully designed luxury interior can significantly increase the property's value, making it a sound financial decision. It's about creating an enduring legacy, a space that will be cherished for generations. Furthermore, a luxury home is a reflection of personal achievement and discerning taste. It provides an environment that inspires creativity, fosters relaxation, and promotes a sense of well-being. And finally, for the conclusion, let's explore 15 luxury home interior design ideas to inspire and spark your imagination. 1. Bespoke furniture. Invest in custom-made furniture crafted from premium materials. Opt for pieces that are tailored to your specific needs and preferences. Bespoke furniture allows for unique designs that perfectly fit your space and reflect your personal style. The high level of craftsmanship ensures longevity and exclusivity, making these pieces true heirlooms. 2. High-end textiles. Incorporate luxurious fabrics such as silk, velvet, and cashmere in upholstery, drapery, and bedding. These materials add a tactile dimension to your interior, enhancing the overall sensory experience. The rich textures and subtle sheen of these fabrics create a sense of opulence and comfort. 3. Statement lighting. Choose dramatic chandeliers, pendant lights, or sconces that serve as focal points in your rooms. Lighting is crucial in setting the mood and highlighting architectural features. Statement lighting not only illuminates the space, but also adds a touch of artistic flair and visual interest. 4. Curated art collection. Display original artwork, sculptures, and limited edition prints to add a touch of sophistication and personality. Artworks reflect your taste and create a conversation piece. A well-curated collection adds depth and character to your interior, making it a reflection of your unique aesthetic. 5. Natural stone accents. Utilize marble, granite, or onyx for countertops, flooring, and wall cladding. Natural stone adds a timeless elegance and a sense of permanence to your interior. The unique patterns and veining of these materials create a sense of organic beauty and luxury. 6. Integrated smart home technology. Incorporate advanced technology for lighting, climate control, and entertainment systems. Seamlessly, integrated technology enhances convenience and comfort. Smart home systems elevate the functionality of your space, providing a modern and efficient living experience. 7. Custom millwork and paneling. Install intricate millwork, wainscoting, and ceiling panels to add architectural interest and depth. Custom millwork adds a layer of sophistication and craftsmanship to your interior. The detailed designs and precise execution create a sense of bespoke elegance. 8. Luxury bathrooms. Design spa-like bathrooms with freestanding tubs, rainfall, showers, and heated floors. A luxurious bathroom is a sanctuary for relaxation and rejuvenation. High-end fixtures and premium materials create a spa-like atmosphere, enhancing the overall comfort of your home. 9. Wine cellar or bar. Create a dedicated space for wine storage and entertainment, complete with temperature control and elegant displays. A well-designed wine cellar or bar adds a touch of sophistication and provides a perfect setting for entertaining guests. 10. Indoor garden or green wall. Integrate natural elements into your interior with indoor plants, vertical gardens, or a living wall. Greenery adds a sense of tranquility and freshness to your space. It also improves air quality and creates a connection with nature. 11. Grand entrance foyer. Design a welcoming and impressive entrance foyer with a grand staircase, statement, artwork, and luxurious finishes. The entrance foyer sets the tone for the entire home, creating a lasting first impression. 12. High ceilings and expansive windows. Maximize natural light and create a sense of spaciousness with high ceilings and large windows. These architectural features enhance the grandeur of your interior. Expansive windows provide stunning views and create a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. 13. Custom carpets and rugs. Commission bespoke carpets and rugs that complement your interior design scheme. Custom carpets add a touch of luxury and comfort underfoot. They also enhance the acoustic properties of the room and create a cohesive design aesthetic. 14. Fireplace focal point. Design a stunning fireplace with custom mantle and surround. A fireplace serves as a central gathering point and adds warmth and ambiance to your living space. The design and materials used for the fireplace can significantly enhance the room's aesthetic. 15. Dedicated home theater. Create a professional-grade home theater with comfortable seating, state-of-the-art audiovisual equipment, and soundproofing. A dedicated home theater provides an immersive entertainment experience. It's a perfect space for enjoying movies, sports, and gaming with family and friends. Implementing these luxury home interior design ideas will elevate your living space to a new level of sophistication and comfort. Remember, luxury is about creating a personalized environment that reflects your unique taste and lifestyle. By focusing on quality, craftsmanship, and attention to detail, you can transform your home into a masterpiece of elegance. If you found these luxury home interior design ideas inspiring, please like this video, subscribe to Interior Decor Designs for more expert tips, and leave a comment below sharing your favorite luxury design elements. Don't forget to share this video with anyone looking to elevate their home's interior.